Alright, welcome back. A few days ago, I went ahead and pulled some squirrels out of the freezer from earlier this season. And today we're going to do something a little unusual and make these into burgers. But before we get started, let's go ahead and roll some of the kill shots. So the most tedious part of this process is probably going to be separating all this meat from the bones. As you can see, we have a couple different species here. We even saved some of the hearts. So this is the pile of meat scraps I ended up with. I don't really have much use for the carcasses, although I'll save them just in case. What I'm going to do next is dry all this off very thoroughly, spread it out on a sheet tray, and let it firm up in the freezer before sending it through the coarse grinder plate on my manual meat grinder. This isn't a lot of meat here, so I'm going to be supplementing it with some ground turkey. And because squirrel is very lean, I'm also going to cut in a whole package of bacon. So this is the squirrel turkey bacon blend. After mixing everything up really well, I ran it through the fine grinding plate. Next, I'm going to add some finely chopped onion, jalapeno, and garlic, a drizzle of olive oil, some barbecue, Worcester, a little bit of mustard, some salt and pepper, and some sweet and smoky seasoning. Mix this up really well. Now I'm going to form this into patties and set them in the fridge while I heat up the charcoal. Okay, we are about ready to throw some of these squirrel patties on the charcoal grill. And now we're going to do a little taste test. You'd hardly even know it's squirrel. This is by far the best squirrel recipe I've ever had. First time cooking squirrel where I've actually been impressed with the results.
No, not gamey at all.
Oh no. Yeah, definitely a thumbs up on this one. It's not dry or gamey by any means. The heat from the jalapenos is a nice touch. Tons of flavor. Best of all, in my opinion, it doesn't taste like squirrel. And for that, I would have to give credit to the whole package of bacon I ground into these burgers. If you are not a fan of squirrel meat, like myself, I highly recommend give squirrel burgers a shot. It may just change your mind. That's going to be it for this video. You're watching 4600 Outdoors, and we will see you next time. Stay tuned. Hey sir, would you like a burger?
Oh no, this is like Clinton.
Yeah, it's really good. Give
I
it
know.
a try.
That's good because you're a nice, kind gentleman. I want to love his cooking.
Have a nice day.
There's a time.